flowers to press. We shall see. Oops. Come on. Excuse me. Kiki. I have a couple of more flowers to press because my darling Skunky keeps buying the flowers. He loves it. So I have a couple more to press, so I want to come and see what these ones that we did last time look like and put these ones in. Okay. Oh my god. Right, I've got some there. A little bit that's come off. I can use these in resin now. Oh, they're really dry too. They really are. I've got to use them off paper. Uh-oh, I just broke it. Right, okay. I'm going to put them to the side. I'll get them off the paper with my thingy. Wow. Those were like little berry things. I suppose they're okay. They're not great, are they? But they are a nice colour. Over there. That over there. And then these. Yeah, they come up quite nice. So instead of buying resin, buying flowers for resin, I can now make my own. In the summer, I'll go picking some flowers and we'll do that. Anyway, so we will lay down these ones. Oops. Do I want to do it like that, or do I want to do it like that? I suppose I could cut the back end off, but okay, that. Right there. Oh, that one's breaking up. Worth giving a go anyway. Let's see if I can flatten this out nicely without destroying it. There we go, cute. That one's not going to hold, but we'll see. Okay, I'll put it back together and we'll bring you back to see those in a couple of weeks. But these are lovely, very cute.